What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'm going to show you how to fix your base when there's just no power for no reason. As you can see inside of here, I've got a bunch of machinery, all of which is off. There's no power available anywhere. And of course, I do have a generator that is filled. What is wrong? Well, essentially, if you look at your generator, hold F to manage, you'll see that you have circuit power, a certain requirement, and how much you're providing, as well as how much this particular generator is creating. Enabling and disabling this is something that could be wrong with your base, but as long as it's enabled, then you need to make sure that the circuit power is less than what you're actually generating. If you reach this point where you need to expand and you've not got enough power in your base, simply just grab yourself your building tool and plonk down a new generator somewhere in your base. Once you do so, as such, and you fill this up with some fuel, which we'll need to collect now, your base should pretty much have power immediately. So let's quickly get some. So there we go. The quickest way to get yourself back up and running is, of course, one of these little battery box things that you can find with a whole bunch of fuel cells within it. So there we go. Now that we're back in base with power, we can either fill up this generator over here, or we can head to machine, manage, and choose to disable it. If we do, everything will turn back on until we can at least get another generator running. As you can see, fabricator is up, everything's happy, but if we manage and turn this back on, boop, power is overloaded, and just like that, we need to generate some more. So the second solution is to manage this, put in some fuel, and just like that, our base is up and running. That's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.